Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic is arithmetic logic units ALU. Before we start, if you are new, so don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's move to the topic. ALU is a part of the CPU. Actual execution of instructions takes place in this part. All arithmetic and logical operations are performed in ALU. It consists of two main units which is discussed here, arithmetic unit and logical units. Arithmetic units and logical units and control units, which are briefly explained here. Arithmetic unit of ALU performs the basic arithmetic functions such as the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The logical units, in this we will read the logical unit of ALU performs the logic operations like comparing two data items to find which data items is greater than and equal to or less than the other. The control unit is an important component of CPU. It acts like the supervisor of a computer. It controls all the activities of computers. It performs of the following operations, which is discussed here. It fetches instruction from the main memory. It interrupts the instruction to find what operation is to be performed, and it controls the execution of instructions. Let's discuss the main memory. The main memory is also the memory of the computer and the storage used for the storage data, items, files, and other things. Main memory is an important component of a computer system. It is used to store the program and data that are being used. It is also known as the working area of a computer system. A computer cannot work without any main memory. Let's discuss the structure of a main memory. The structure of main memory is a modern computer is built in the form of the chips, and then the chip is made of the semiconductor material. The chip consists of the thousand and million of cells, and each cell can store the one byte. This the cells in the main memory are logically organized as a group of 8 bytes. One group of 8 bytes is known as the byte, and each byte in a memory is assigned a unique number. This number is known as the address of the byte. Accessing data in memory. In this we will read that how to access the data in the main memory, and how the main memory is used for accessing the data. Main memory is a sequence of bytes. CPU and other components can easily any byte of any main memory by specifying its address, and different bytes can be exceeds randomly. The memory is built from the electronic components. Accessing any part of memory takes equal time, and no mechanical movement is required when data is exceeds from the accessed from the main memory. That is why the main memory is the very fast as compared to the other. And then devices such as the magnetic disks, etc. There are the two types of the memories, RAM and the ROM. In this we will discuss what is the RAM and how are different types of the RAMs, different types which are given below. The RAM stands for the random access memory. It also called the direct access memory. Random access means that each individual byte in entire memory can be accessed directly. RAM is used to store the data and instructions temporarily, which is discussed here, which is that RAM. The picture is given above. The RAM is a volatile memory. It means that its contents will be lost when the power is turned off. RAM is a read-write memory. CPU can read data from the RAM and write data to the RAM. It is the use to store the data instructions, and then while it is being executed. RAM is also called the main memory or a primary storage. RAM is built by using the two different techniques. The DRM. DRAM stands for the dynamic random access memory. It is a type of memory that is used in most computers. It is the least expensive kind of RAM. DRAM requires an electric current to maintain its electric state. The electric charges of DRAM decreases with time, which may result in the loss of data. And then the DRM is recharged, or the DRM of the being freshed. It is why it is low. That's why it is low. The RAM is in which stands for the static random access memories, and it can be stored in the formulas or without any need of the frequent recharging. CPU does not need to wait to access data and then spam during the processing. That is why it is faster than the DRMA, and it utilizes less power on the DRMA, and SRAM is more expensive. It is normally used to build a very fast memory known as the cache machine. Again, in this we'll discuss the ROM. The ROM stands for the read-only memory, and it's all about its types. In this we will discuss. Thanks for watching.